Oh. They're pie-licious.
Of course they are. Mother bakes them with love.
Now, children, eat as much as you like, but we mustn't be messy. Cyborg needs his Bibby Wibby, and little Raven has crumblies all over her face.
Thanks, Mother, may I?